In this lesson, we will show you how to start the TouchCare Nano sensor. You can connect the sensor using either the PDM or the EasyPatch app. We'll explain everything step by step. If you don't have a TouchCare Nano pump, you can also use the EasySense app. But since most people use the sensor with the pump, we will not talk about the EasySense app in this guide. 1. PDM or Personal Diabetes Manager. The PDM or Personal Diabetes Manager is a small device that connects to both the TouchCare Nano sensor and pump. It has a touch screen and a home key on the front, a power button on the top, and a charging port and sound hole on the bottom. On the upper left corner, there is also an indicator light that can flash green, yellow, or blue in different situations. When charging, for example, it flashes blue, while a continuous green light indicates full charge. To turn it off, long press the power button for about 2 seconds, then slide to power off, or long press the power button for about 8 seconds. When the screen goes black, press the power button and then slide to unlock. To start the TouchCare Nano sensor using the PDM, follow these steps. First, connect your transmitter to the PDM. Slide to the left from the main screen. Tap Sensor from the main menu. Tap Transmitter SN. Manually enter the serial number printed on the transmitter or on the transmitter packaging label. Next, connect your sensor to the PDM. Slide to the left from the main screen. Tap Sensor from the main menu. Tap Connect Sensor. Tap Enter. Enter the sensor code from the sensor package. Tap Done to connect the sensor. Tap Next. Next, apply your TouchCare Nano sensor and transmitter on your skin if you haven't done so yet. After the warm-up, which takes up to 30 minutes, you will receive glucose readings. On your main screen, you'll see your current glucose level along with a trend arrow. If your reading is below 40 milligrams per deciliter or 2.2 millimoles per liter, it will show low. And if it's above 400 milligrams per deciliter or 22.2 millimoles per liter, it will show high. Always double-check these extreme readings with a fingerstick and act accordingly. The home screen of the PDM also shows an estimate of the insulin you still have on board and a glucose trend graph shown below your current reading. You can also long press the trend graph to open a larger view in landscape mode. Swipe left to open the main menu, or swipe right to see the status screen. Before you remove a sensor from your body, make sure it has been disconnected. Go to the main menu of your PDM, select Sensor, select Disconnect Sensor. If you don't see the Disconnect Sensor option, skip this step. 2. EasyPatch app. The EasyPatch app can connect to both the TouchCare Nano sensor and pump. You can download it on most iPhones and Android phones. To check if your phone works with the app, go to medtrum.com/compatibility. You can find the app by searching Medtrum in the App Store or Google Play. To start the TouchCare Nano sensor using the app, follow these steps. Open the Medtrum EasyPatch app and register or log into your account. First, connect the transmitter to the EasyPatch app. From the home screen, go to the main menu. Tap Settings. Tap CGM System. First, ensure factory calibration is turned on so you can receive sensor glucose readings immediately after warm-up without manual calibration. Tap Add Transmitter SN. You can scan the QR code for the transmitter serial number on the label the transmitter packaging box. Tap OK, or you can choose to manually enter the serial number printed on the transmitter or on the transmitter packaging label. Next, connect your sensor to the EasyPatch app. From the home screen, tap Main Menu, tap CGM, tap Connect Sensor, tap Enter Code. You can scan the sensor QR code on the sensor package or manually enter the sensor code. If you scan the code, tap OK to confirm the code is correct and the app will return to the home screen. If you manually enter the code, tap Done to go back to the home screen. Next, apply your TouchCare Nano sensor and transmitter on your skin if you haven't done so. After the warm-up, which takes up to 30 minutes, you will receive glucose readings. Your home screen will show the current glucose reading with a trend arrow. Readings below 40 milligrams per deciliter or 2.2 millimoles per liter will display as low, and those above 400 milligrams per deciliter or 22.2 millimoles per liter will show as high. Always verify extreme readings with a finger stick and take necessary action. The home screen also shows a glucose trend graph below the current reading. In landscape mode, you can view the glucose trends over the past 24 hours. Before you remove a sensor from your body, make sure it has been disconnected from your Medtron app. Go to the main menu, select CGM. Select Disconnect Sensor. If you don't see the Disconnect Sensor option, skip this step. 3 do's and don'ts. The sensor is water resistant up to 2.5 meters for 60 minutes, allowing for showering and swimming. If you're using the PDM, make sure to charge it with the included charger. The initial charge typically takes around 2 hours and can power the device for up to 1 week. The PDM can store up to 90 days of data. Even if the battery runs out or a system error occurs, your data will remain safe. To keep everything running smoothly, ensure the date and time are set correctly. You can adjust the date and time from the settings menu when there is no active patch. If you're using the EasyPatch app, you may notice your phone's battery running down a bit faster. Even if your phone powers off, your data remains secure and will update once the app restarts. The app can store up to 90 days of data, so you won't lose valuable information. Bluetooth communication is essential for the EasyPatch app to connect to your sensor. The app can detect and notify you about a disconnection. As soon as the problem is solved, communication will be resumed. The sensor can be calibrated if needed. On the PDM, go to the main menu, tap Sensor, then select Sensor Calibration. Here you can enter your finger prick blood glucose value, tap Done, and tap Yes to calibrate your sensor. In the EasyPatch app, tap the Enter BG shortcut button located on the bottom menu of the home screen. Here you can enter your finger prick blood glucose value, tap Done and tap OK to calibrate your sensor. Notes can be made in the app. From the main menu, tap Events to add events like food intake, exercise, or insulin delivery for comprehensive data. By following these steps and being proactive in addressing any issues, you can make the most of your TouchCare Nano sensor and achieve effective, continuous glucose monitoring.